Originally created by the Ojibwe, a North American Indian tribe, Dreamcatchers were hung over a cradle as protection for a baby. The Dreamcatcher is a small hoop with a spiderweb-like pattern in the center. It is believed to protect people from bad dreams and nightmares. The Dreamcatcher is more than decoration with its history. Sometimes I get scared at night, so I wanted to make a Dreamcatcher to hang over my bed. I'm going to show you how to make a Dreamcatcher from things you can find around the house. I made one before with my preschool teacher, Miss Stacy, and it was a lot of fun. You will need a paper plate, crayons or markers, beads, a hole puncher, scissors, yarn, and any kind of tape. First, use scissors to carefully cut a hole in the middle of the paper plate. You can also ask an adult to help you cut the hole with a utility knife. Next, punch holes evenly around the inside of the paper plate. Cut 2 to 3 feet of yarn and string one end into a hole. Then tie a knot around it. Now thread it through a hole on the opposite side. Keep going until you have strung the yarn through all the holes. If you run out of yarn, just connect the new string to the old string at the last hole and cut off the extra pieces. If you have extra yarn after you finish stringing the yarn through all the holes, you can make a loop at the top to hang the Dreamcatcher. If you don't have extra yarn, cut a new piece of yarn and tape it to the back to make the hanger for the Dreamcatcher. Now punch a hole at the bottom of the plate and cut a new piece of any colored yarn to make yarn tassels that hang at the bottom of the plate. Tie the yarn to the hole, then string as many beads as you like to the bottom of the yarn. Make a knot in the form of a loop to keep the beads from falling off. You can also add feathers or other decorations. I didn't have any feathers, so I just used beads. Repeat these steps again to create as many yarn tassels as you want. Now decorate the Dreamcatcher with crayons or any other art supplies you have at home. I really loved how this turned out, and I can't wait to hang my Dreamcatcher to catch all my bad dreams. Hope you have fun making this too. Hope you like our video. Please subscribe.